Boozhoo, Nimmenwaindamoma Biajaig. This week is week 12 of Second Step. And I was thinking about the world we live in and lots of unknowns right now. And then I was thinking about our 7 teachings and the importance, and just so important those 7 teachings are. And one of the things is kindness. One of the really strong things is just learning to be kind in a negative world. And so this week we're going to be talking about caring and helping. And your child will be learning to be kind to other children and learning ways to help them and listening. How important it is just to really listen. There's a saying of active listening, and how just really being present, and whether it's you as an adult or your child with another child, just to listen. So one of the things you could do at home in the playtime is we're going to play a game, and we'll take turns pretending that something sad has happened. Like pretend you hurt your foot. So you model what to say. You look sad. Are you okay? Just giving them words to say. How about, let me put some ice on it. Let me find an ice pack. And then you can take turns back and forth. You look sad. My friend is sick. What could we do? That's a great idea. We could make them a card and make them feel better. Just giving them the tools that they need to be a good friend, to be helpful, and to be caring, to learn those empathy skills. So this week at school is the picture of Jaden and Susie. Now first you talk about the first picture and you say, oh, look at Susie. How does she feel? She looks sad. How can you tell? Look at her face. And Susie's sad because her other friend wouldn't play with her. So Jaden comes along and he knows how to be a good friend, and he says, I'll play with you, Susie. So then they go over, and Jaden helps Susie build a tent. Now how does Susie feel? Look at her face. And so Jaden's being a good friend, and we can be good friends too at school, helping and caring. So that's week 12. I hope that helps. There's lots of things you can talk about at home just by looking at this picture and coming up with your own scenarios of making our world a better place, teaching those values, those core values, the honesty, respect, sharing, and kindness, caring and helping. And if we can all do that, play our part, the world will be a better place. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Take care. Gigawabamen. Miigwech Bizendawieg.